basic innovation that we are talking is how do we use water and electricity, both of which are abundant, fortunately abundant to us, and use these two components to kill viruses or any microbes. So, how do we make a new sanitization technique or sanitization tool using water and electricity? So my major innovation is in converting this water into water droplets and then giving electricity in such a way or passing it through electric field in such a way that this water contains or takes up charges and generates a reactive oxygen species. This oxygen oxidative species can be hydroxyl ion, hydroxyl radical, oxygen radical, and these radicals are very potent as oxidizing agent. So now these small droplets can fly, and now once they come in contact with the microbe, let's say viruses, then it can inactivate it. The way it inactivates is like if you talk about coronavirus has an envelope made up of lipids, which is fat, and proteins. Now these water droplets, once it comes in contact, this oxidative species comes in contact with this structure, and they oxidize this structure into simpler form, which means the coat has been broken, and once the coat or the envelope is broken, virus gets inactivated. This has been certified by a NABL certified lab, a government approved lab called Institute of Industrial Research and Toxicology. So where the work has been done on especially selected bacteria which are more hardy than viruses, and there it has been shown that this bacteria is completely killed by our technology. The safety study has been done and it has been found completely safe on human beings.